Good morning, one and all. Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas Eve. Kimmy's Real Adventures and stuff. Who says it never rains in Southern California? That guy who wrote that song, I don't think so. Look at that. Coming down pretty good. We got water poodles. Wall Street. Yeah, like I'm putting that clown in my video. Anyway, it does rain in Southern California. And here I'm across from the police station. But they don't do anything. Alright, like, subscribe, share on the social. Merry Christmas.